With the onset of summers, we would definitely like some summer coolers. So here's the recipe for you. This is what we need: grinded sugar, lemon juice, smashed mint leaves, grinded sugar again, normal water, coconut water since it's a must in the summers, lemon, orange crush, another glass of coconut water since we're going to make 2 varieties of it. So these are our ingredients. We'll take a glass and first set the glass. We dip it in lemon juice, just like this, and then we dip it in grinded sugar. So you can see this is how the glass looks now. You can add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice first. Then you add sugar as per your taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of it. Ice, again as per your wish. You can add more ice to it if you want it absolutely chilled. A few smashed mint leaves. Remember to smash the mint leaves, otherwise the flavor of the mint doesn't come out. You can smash it as per your taste. Coconut water. Add almost half a glass of coconut water, and the remaining you can just add water to it. This is a simple coconut mojito. We've just named it coconut mojito, and trust me, make it and taste it and you'll believe me. Thank you. This lemon is used just for garnish. If you're bored drinking the same coconut water during summers, this is a must try. You can avoid the sugar part of it by adding jaggery or honey to it to make it healthier. My daughter and I, we are ardent lovers of orange, so I'm going to make an orange coconut mojito. We've just named it because we are adding the mint and the lemon to it, so we follow the same procedure for the glass part of it. Adding mint leaves as per your taste again. We love the flavor of mint. Adding orange crush again as per your taste. Remember, this crush can be easily made at home. Subscribe and like the channel if you want to know the recipe of orange crush. Adding lemon juice to it. Again, depends on your taste. I have added 2 teaspoons of it. Add 1 lemon wedge into it. I'm just adding 1 more teaspoon of orange crush to it because I assume that it won't give the orange flavor as per my taste. So it's absolutely your discretion how much orange crush you want to add. Adding normal water to it. And coconut water. Our orange coconut mojito is ready. Most of us make mojitos at home, but have we ever tried mojito with coconut water? Please do try this recipe. Subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you.